In the harsh wild world, animals must fight to survive. Along the perilous river under the unforgiving desert sky, they battle with fangs and claws for food and territory. Today we witness a confrontation that breaks all limits. Wild dogs facing off against a crocodile to claim a vital water source and a life or death meal amid a brutal drought. Only the victor will survive to take the reward. This is Animal Fight Night. African wild dogs are not just ordinary hunters. They are hunting machines, perfectly refined through millions of years of evolution. Their true power lies in their astonishing teamwork. A pack can number up to 20 individuals, operating as a single unified unit. They surround the enemy from all directions and turn the attack into a siege with no escape. Each member of the pack holds a clear and flexible role. The pursuer stays close to maintain pressure from behind. The herder forces the prey off its chosen path. And the blocker cuts off the main escape route. No alpha needs to give orders. The formation adjusts automatically to even the smallest movements of the prey, like a system of collective reflex. But their opponent is no easy target. The Nile crocodile possesses nearly impenetrable skin, up to 2 inches thick. It is covered by a layer of hardened, keratinized scales. This armor resists penetration from almost every natural attack, whether from claws or biting teeth. When teeth and claws strike, the impact energy is deflected and spread evenly across the surface of the skin instead of being concentrated at a single point. Thanks to this mechanism, damage to the internal organs is kept to an absolute minimum. That is why many predators, no matter how ferocious, are often forced to give up after only a few attacks. They realize they cannot break through this natural defense. Across the African plains, climate change has brought prolonged drought. It pushes wild dogs to the very brink of starvation. Hunger drives them to take reckless risks, approaching the remaining rivers to drink and to search for fish. Drifting carcasses or weakened prey gathering along the banks. But this very recklessness can ignite an unavoidable conflict. Hunger dulls their caution, and they rush into the shallow water in search of food. But this is the territory of crocodiles, the silent predators beneath the surface. They wait for the exact moment a prey animal dares to come close, then unleash a lethal strike. A young wild dog strays too close to the water's edge, triggering the hunting instinct of a swamp assassin. The instant the crocodile's jaws snap shut and narrowly miss, the entire pack rushes in to rescue their teammate. The wild dogs launch a coordinated opening assault, surrounding the crocodile from multiple directions. They deliver rapid, repeated bites aimed straight at its soft underbelly. It is a carefully planned strategy built on their advantage in speed and numbers. They dodge the tail strikes and use patience to wear their opponent down. But the crocodile strikes back with a sudden counterattack, its thick skin absorbing every bite, then unleashing a lethal snap from below the surface with a force of 3,700 psi. Enough to hurl and crush an attacker. This is not just an animal fight night, it is a duel of instinct and strategy. Every millimeter of movement is a trade for life itself in animal fight night. The animal fight night between the wild dogs and the crocodile ends quickly. The crocodile is taken down. The pack secures its meal through coordinated force, reinforcing its place in the ecosystem, but not without a cost. One dog is seriously injured. The crocodile becomes part of the food chain, its body turning into a massive source of protein that nourishes the land. Nature offers no mercy and no compassion. Here, survival is measured in blood and in the hard lessons of constant conflict. Subscribe to the channel today so you don't miss the most heart-pounding moments of survival in the natural world.